Main Squeeze provides the ease and accuracy of a dilution control system without needing to install equipment. Each highly concentrated formula helps reduce costs compared to RTU products while improving efficiency. Simply squeeze the bottle to fill the built-in measuring spout, then pour into your container and add water. Main Squeeze Glass and Hard Surface Cleaner cleans away dirt, oils, smoke, and greasy fingerprints rinse-free, without streaks, smears, fumes, or odors. The non-ammoniated, environmentally responsible, concentrated formula produces well over 300 quarts of in-use dilution per case. No dispensers, no installation, no mistakes. Easy, safe, and precise dilution with Main Squeeze.